In this episode, we went on a walk in a nearby forest to see if we find some fresh mushrooms. August is one of the best months in this regard because there are many types of delicious mushrooms growing. The only deciding factor for growing is the amount of rain in the upcoming weeks. We hope for the best. The parasol mushroom is a very popular one in Europe. We usually dip them in egg and breadcrumbs and we fry them. Another edible mushroom is the so-called charcoal burner. Be careful because there are many toxic types that look almost the same. They are suitable for many kinds of dishes and they have a mild nutty taste. We were very lucky because we found a few of our favorite mushrooms, the bolete or porcini. The smaller they are, the better. These mushrooms are great sautéed in butter with a pinch of garlic and fresh parsley. They have a very strong nutty flavor, slightly meaty, and a lovely creamy texture. We just can't get enough of them. A few days ago, we went in search of mushrooms to these same spots and we didn't find any. Yesterday it rained heavily and now we are thrilled that we see so many. These mushrooms, commonly known as fly agaric or fly amanita, are very interesting. They are poisonous, but they are still eaten in parts of Europe, Asia and North America because of the hallucinogenic properties. We have found a few chanterelle too, so we decided to make an amazing scrambled eggs with them. We didn't make this dish for a long time. We love this recipe because it is creamy and has a slight nutty, earthy flavor from the fresh chanterelle. These mushrooms are perfect for this dish. For this recipe we used fresh parsley, salt, ground pepper, eggs, white onion, garlic, milk, some mild cheese, olive oil, and fresh chanterelle. We start by peeling and dicing a half white onion. We dice it fine. We do the same with the garlic. We clean the mushrooms and we cut the stems. We don't use them, they are not so great. We slice them and we continue by beating a few eggs. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. We season the eggs with salt and ground pepper. When we see that we incorporated a good amount of air, we add a small amount of milk. We use milk to soften the flavor of eggs and to be sure that it doesn't overpower the dish. The chanterelle have a very delicate aroma and we don't want to lose the woody, earthy flavor. We add a touch of mild cheese, not too much. We heat up a cast iron pan and we add some olive oil. We sear the mushrooms and we season them with salt and ground pepper. We continue by adding the diced onions with the garlic. We sear them for a minute and we add the eggs. We cook the scrambled eggs all the way through, but if you like them runnier, then feel free to make them so. We serve them with some toasts and a pinch of fresh parsley on top. If you enjoyed our content, please consider subscribing. It helps us a lot, and feel free to let us know what you think about this dish. Stay safe and see you on the next one.